Welcome. In today's quick guide, you'll learn how to make your last seen public on Telegram using the latest updated steps. If you've been trying to adjust your privacy settings but couldn't find the right option, don't worry. This will walk you through everything clearly and quickly. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're inside, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this might appear as three horizontal lines in the top corner, or you may need to tap your profile icon to access the main menu. Next, go to Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down until you find Privacy and Security, then tap on it. This section controls who can see your activity, so this is where all the important changes happen. Now tap on Last Seen and Online. Here you'll see options that determine who can view your last seen status. To make it public, select Everybody. This allows anyone on Telegram to see when you were last active. After that, look for the option called Hide Read Time. Make sure to toggle this on. This step is important because it helps manage how your activity timestamps appear while still keeping your last seen visible to others. Once you've done that, your settings are updated. Your last seen is now public, and people will be able to view your activity status according to the changes you made. Keep in mind that Telegram privacy settings can affect both what you see and what others see. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back to this section and adjust things again in just a few taps. That's it. Quick, simple, and done in under a minute.